Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the radar. It's about 11:30. Happy Halloween, and we're watching our system slowly spiral away here north today. A few lingering stray showers to the south, and look at these amounts. We saw quite a bit of moisture. Really interesting distribution here. This is going back through Friday. 1 to 3 in a lot of Southeast PA and Jersey. 1 to 3 and a lot of New England. In between, only a quarter to 3 quarters in the Hudson Valley. So if this were a snowstorm, we'd have a lot of disappointed people here in the parts of New York, parts of Northeast PA, right? But generally, pretty well-behaved storm system. Quite a bit of moisture, a little bit overperforming, I would argue, in parts of New England. But overall, quite a bit of moisture. And the good thing is we have a pretty dry week ahead. So again, we got to deal with this today. And then tomorrow, a front's going to be moving in. So we're going to have some cooler weather slowly seeping in here. It's a dry day on Monday. You look at the cloud cover, there is some, but overall it's a pretty nice day, all things considered. Tuesday, colder air continues to seep in. You might ask me, Ed, how can you tell? Well, look at these bands of lake effect rain coming off of the lakes. That is your telltale sign that you got cold air coming over those warmer waters. So a little bit of lake effect rain and snow possible here to start November. But again, most of us are dry. Tuesday, we're watching a very weak system. Might bring a few sprinkles. Enhanced cloud cover here for Tuesday. You look at the amounts for Tuesday, though. In all seriousness, they are very light. You see here that's a trace to 1/10 of an inch at most, and that is pushing it. Now, as we head into the middle of the week, you see all this stuff for Tuesday, just a few sprinkles or flurries, whatever, no big deal. But for Wednesday, see these blue lines? That's cold air. It's very cold air for Wednesday, very cold air for Thursday. And by Friday, you see finally it's starting to get scoured out. And the European model does have a rain event here for later Friday into Saturday. However, if you look at our GFS model, it's colder. It's also drier. So still some uncertainty here if we do see something Friday, Saturday, but really that's the next chance of anything meaningful. The other thing I want to mention here for our friends up north, good snowmaking conditions coming here as we head into the middle of the week, albeit briefly. So that's the important takeaway here. This is not sustained. So we're going to warm up again as we head into next week. So keep that in mind. But especially north, these are temperatures at 2,500 feet. So it's colder at the summits, obviously. But these temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, even into Friday are pretty chilly. And it's not until that system late Friday into Saturday comes that scours out the cold air. Now, the GFS that's drier does not have that system for Friday, Saturday. It's colder. You know, it's cold here through Friday morning. It's below freezing at 2,500 feet. And it's really not until Saturday and Sunday we warm things up. You see that? So one thing to note, though, I mean, I know people are chomping at the bit, but these temperatures into next week are warm. Really not a lot of cold air to be had, according to some of our modeling next week. And you see, same deal on the European model, right? So just be careful. It's a short-lived cold snap, I think, but it is a legitimate one. So if you want to get anything going snow-wise, you can at least start thinking about it for sure. So again, Tuesday, you see that cold coming in, 40s for highs. Wednesday and Thursday is the peak of the cold. Highs, 30s and 40s north, near 50 south. That's pretty chilly. Friday, same deal. Saturday, same deal. And then again, as we head into early next week, you're going to notice these temps slowly starting to recover, 40s and then 50s to near 60, closer to normal for this time of the year. Low temperatures here. As you can imagine, they're warm today. But look at these lows by the end of the week. We're lows well into the 20s inland, 30s along the coast. So that's pretty chilly air. So again, a pretty dry week ahead. We just got the stuff to deal with today. A few stray showers for Tuesday. And then we'll watch that end of the week system. So have a good week, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.